In this video, I will show you how to download Solo Leveling Arise on PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is search for Solo Leveling Arise, click on this website. Then you are here on the main website and you will see that the download is available now here, so you can download it easily. So click on this download game and then click on PC version because it is easy to download this. So download now, click on it. And then here you will see Netmarkable installer, click on it. Then wait for it and here you will see. Then click on OK to install the Solo Leveling. And then wait for it to install. Okay, so after that, click on I agree. Then click on install. Then wait for it again. So then after that, click on start install. Then wait for it to finish the installing game. And then once it's done, here you will see the Netmarble installer. So now you can start to play a game, but you need to sign in first into Google, Apple, and email. Yeah. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.